Hi guys, it's Quenlin Blackwell and this is my MAC Sephora haul. So first we have one of the greatest powder foundations. I'm actually wearing it right now. This face, this product. Such an inclusive shade range, truly. Next, we have the MAC Glow Play Blush. It has a bounce. So I work 9 to 5, 5 to 9. The blush conceals it all. My favorite. And now I have a surprise. This Multisculpt matte eyeshadow. I used it all over my face, on the eyes, jaw, beat this mug with this product. And last but not least, Extended Play Mascara. Are we just playing during the day? We're doing it for a week. We go hard. Shop my MAC favorites available now at Sephora. Finally. Thank God. We're back.